Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a thrilling and popular sport, cricket. Cricket is a game that has been played for over 3 centuries, and it's a favorite among people all around the world. The game is played between 2 teams, each with 11 players on the field. The objective of the game is to score runs by batting at the opposing team's wickets, while trying to avoid getting caught. One of the most exciting aspects of cricket is the highlights. Cricketers showcase their skills, talent, and athleticism in the pursuit of scoring runs. There are several moments that are etched in the memories of cricket fans, such as a wicket-keeper's brilliant catch, a boundary hit that defies the odds, or an unlucky fall before the last ball. Let's take a look at some of the highlights in cricket. One of the most famous moments in cricket history is the first Test match between India and England in 1877. Sir Don Bradman led England to a thrilling victory with a record-breaking 206 runs. Another unforgettable highlight is Sir Vivian Richards' century in the final Test match of the 2003 season. Richards scored his last 111 runs in just 75 balls, securing an innings victory for England. Cricket has also seen many extraordinary performances by women players. Domestic cricket matches in various countries showcase the skills of women players, who are just as capable of making powerful shots and hitting boundaries as their male counterparts. In conclusion, cricket is a game that has captured the hearts and minds of people around the world. The highlights of the game, from incredible scores and remarkable feats of athleticism to inspirational moments, make it an exciting and unforgettable sport. So, the next time you watch or play cricket, remember the highlights and appreciate the passion and skill of the players who make it such a thrilling experience.